In this video, I'm going to show you one of the reasons why your valve is sticking open and it's not shutting off. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to go to your backflow device. You're going to shut the water off there. It's a valve sticking open and water's running. You got to go shut the water off. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to take this valve apart, and that's how you're going to figure out what the problem is. We're just going to reach down, turn that handle off, and turn it off. This is where you want to turn your water off, and it'll shut off all the water to the sprinkler system. Something I did want to mention is when you've got a valve sticking open, most of the time it's because there's something wrong mechanically in the valve. Diaphragm, rock in there. A lot of things can happen. Just going to your sprinkler timer and turning it to off is not going to necessarily fix the problem. And really, it actually doesn't. Because it's actually at the valve, and it's what I would call a water problem and not an electrical problem like through the sprinkler controller. So just turning off that controller is not going to shut that valve off. You're going to have to go shut the water off to your sprinkler system at your backflow device. We had this valve not shutting off, and you know what? Took the diaphragm out. You see that hole? This is why this valve was not shutting off. It's because the diaphragm's messed up. It's got a tear in it. And of course, I'm making it bigger now, but it was a pretty good tear in it. And so this is one of the reasons why your valve's not shutting off, is because the diaphragm's messed up. If you've got a valve that's not shutting off, sometimes it could be that the diaphragm in that valve is messed up and it's not shutting off all the way. Like this one's got a tear in it, so it's not going to shut off because water is going to always go by that diaphragm. So what we're going to do is we're going to get a new diaphragm, put it in this valve, and it's going to solve the problem. I've done other videos of how to fix a valve by replacing the guts, the diaphragm, the top, and everything. You can see that video right here.